Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can record your screen in Veed.io. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and go to Veed.io. Now log into your account and you will be leaded to this page over here. You can see the record video option. Click on it and you will be leaded to this screen. Now to record your screen, go ahead and click screen and choose which of the window you want to cast or which of the screen you want to display or record. So if you want to record the entire screen, click entire screen, or just a single window, click the window which is open, or if you want to screencast the tab, go ahead and choose Microsoft Edge tab and choose the window. Now I would like to cast this whole screen, so I will click entire screen, click share, and then it says it's look good, and after it looks good, click record, and then you can record your video and you can record your screen. So this was a video on how you can record screen in Veed.io. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.